I'm Bhumika Bahl, a celebrity makeup artist, educator, and consultant. One time when I was in the washroom of my office and someone came to me कि आप मेरा makeup कर दो 500 रुपये मिला मुझे. I had a basic kit with me. मैंने कहा चलो let's do it. So 500 का पत्ती आया, still have it in my bag. When I got that, उस दिन समझ आ गया. एक बार के लिए भी अगर मैंने risk ले लिया of coming out of that fixed bandwidth, growth का तो end नहीं है. This is the first time I'm talking about something which is apart from makeup. Go to topics that are very, very educational and empowering to everyone.
How did you discover that you had that confidence in you and that no, you have to go all in?
Look at me. What do you think? No matter what, how many times I fail, मैं तो रुकने वाली नहीं. To try to stop me. क्या failure क्या एक बार नहीं चला, दो बार नहीं चला, तीन बार नहीं चला, 100 times, 1000 times. I am not stopping. I'll do it again. I'll do it better. I'll feel better. I think fake it till you make it is one thing. The moment you look at me, you know that she can do it. Look at how I look. Look at how I talk. जब से पैदा हुई हूँ मैं हमेशा से makeup artist बनना चाहती हूँ. Like a lifetime.
That spirit of keep going on in life, everybody should have it. What is that one thing that you want to give to all the viewers out there?
Aware हो जाओ, vigilant हो जाओ. What is happening around you in every space, every aspect. मुझे ना सब पता है क्या हो रहा है. ना मेरी पैंट्री में अंदर क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पीछे बाहर क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ मेरे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, पॉडकास्ट में क्या चल रहा है, कभी ब्रेक का टाइम हो गया है, पापा वॉक पे. आई नो व्हाट्स गोइंग. टू ऑल ऑफ देम वाचिंग दिस, लाइफ में सब कर लिया तो अपना लाइफ का ट्रायंगल ठीक कर लो. योर फैमिली एंड योर फाइनेंस एंड योर हेल्थ, ये तीनों चीजें ओके हो तो लाइफ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. क्या बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हो. एंड नाउ इट फील्स लाइक अ पॉडकास्ट.
Hello, everybody. I'm Anshita Gupta from Believes on Board, and today we have the star with us. We have somebody who is a makeup educator, TEDx speaker, and a motivational speaker. Here we are and welcoming Bhumika Bahl on Believes on Board. So, Bhumika, I cordially invite you and welcome you on our board today. And I'm sure that today we are going to discuss so much about our belief system, your belief systems, that our viewers all will benefit from. So, Bhumika, first question, what was that one belief that you discovered in yourself when, like, long time back, when you wanted to start this when you wanted to step into this industry? What was that one belief that helped you that no, now I have to take this leap of faith?
I think that believing in yourself has always been that one belief that yes, I can do it. And talking about the entire belief system back then or today, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैंने सोच लिया तो हो गया. So that one belief is trusting and believing in yourself, and that can take you to places. It is not even coming to कि मैं क्या plan करूँगी, क्या implement करूँगी. अगर मैंने सोच लिया तो वो हो गया. So on this podcast, अगर मैंने कुछ सोच लिया भी तो it's already done, and the
Wow.
systems come into place later.
So this is such a nice belief, क्योंकि अगर हम अपने ऊपर ही believe कर लेते हैं तो I think so half of the work is already done.
So true.
Because I meet so many women out there and who say that हम लोग अपने अंदर ही believe नहीं कर पाते. We want to do something, but where do we get that confidence? हम वो confidence कैसे लेके आए कुछ करने का? तो how did you discover that you had that confidence in you and that no, you have to go all in with this?
Look at me. What do you think? The moment. I think packaging is something which वो कहते हैं ना, fake it till you make it.
Yes.
So I think this is to everyone who's watching this with us. And first of all, before even answering this question, thank you so much for welcoming me in this podcast. And I think this is the first time, being very honest, that I'm talking about something which is apart from makeup. Okay. And such like good topics that are very, very educational and empowering to everyone. Coming back to the question where we were, that we were talking about, is that I think fake it till you make it is one thing. The moment you look at me, you know that she can do it. So the moment I look at myself in the mirror, मैंने अपने आप को देखा सुबह, when the packaging is like this, मेरी आंखों में देखो. Look at me, look at how I look at how I talk. Confidence comes from what you are.
Yes.
So after packaging के बाद, then inner soul and God, and I think everything is done.
Superb. So it's been how many years you've been into this industry? And
I think there are two ways of answering this. पहला, मैं जब से पैदा हुई हूँ, जैसे आर्टिस्ट कहते हैं, मैं जब से पैदा हुई हूँ, मैं हमेशा से मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहती थी. It's like a lifetime now.
Okay.
32 साल के हो गए, I'm 32 now. Okay. But otherwise, it's been full-fledged 2 years to Bhumika Bahl Academy and Studio where we're sitting right now. And apart from that, approximately 6 years professionally practicing.
Wow. So, Bhumika, tell me some important beliefs that you have created in yourself for when it comes to beauty and makeup and all the wellness that you are preaching. So what are the important beliefs that you have figured it out, and how do you teach and impart that to your students, that no, you should have these beliefs if you want to become a makeup artist?
I think becoming a makeup artist is all related to like humanity.
Okay.
Before even coming to my profession and what I do and हम क्या कर पा रहे हैं life में, every soul that I'm touching, be it in terms of we sitting together, or maybe the entire team and BTS, without them nothing is possible, or maybe my students or my industry members or my friends or my family. I think पहला belief तो is always gratitude. Is something which has changed everything for me and otherwise. Secondly, believing or doing hard work
Okay.
is another thing which has to work any which way.
Yes,
काम तो
totally.
करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
Believe it or not, into the belief system, you will have to work really, really hard for that. Gratitude is one, hard work is one. Being really very honest and ethical is again something which is you can't do without. Makeup artistry हो चाहे इस world का दुनिया को कोई भी profession उठा लो, कोई भी segment उठा लो, तो फिर शुरू करा हमने इंसानियत से, and then major part of my belief system, yes.
Superb. So, if you're talking about gratitude, I want to know more about it. That, from how many years are you practicing gratitude in a whole?
I think again knowingly अब जब से ये concept आ गया that you have to practice gratitude, अब जब से subjects आने लग गए, I'm so thankful that we're in a generation के subjects हैं. मतलब अब मेरे टाइम की बात करूँ, now that I'm 32, अब कबीर के टाइम की बात करूँ, my 2-year-old son, तो उसके लिए gratitude subject आएगा. I have to practice that. Back then I think रोजे सुबह उठते थे. We've been thanking God. My nani used to teach me, I remember, thank you God for food, thank you God for water. उस टाइम तो लगता था
क्या है?
Coming from a lower middle class family, बोलना होता है सुबह उठ के भगवान जी और देते, like that, and that is now instilled into Kabir. But I think that it's been years now, knowingly or unknowingly, I've been practicing it. Gratitude practice करने से, so practice is basically every morning when I get up.
Okay.
I have to just thank my God for giving me whatever I have, irrespective. मेरी life को gratitude ने बदल दिया है.
Okay.
Being very honest, how? Personally, आप बहुत संतुष्ट हो जाते हो. नहीं? कि end क्या है?
Yes.
और start क्या है? At the end क्या मिट्टी तो कहाँ जाओगे? What's the end of it? आज academy है by God's grace. Here in गुड़गांव कल 2 होंगी, 4 होंगी, franchise होंगे. पूरी दुनिया में चले जाएंगे. End क्या है? So I think wherever you are, the gratitude practice keeps you very saint, sacred, santusht, as you say, satisfied, happy. So that has come into my personal perspective. If I talk about my professional perspective, it gives you clarity. If you're thankful
So
for
true.
something, what I have, और जब clarity होगा, तो फिर मेरी team को आप देखो मैं directions कैसे देती हूँ. When I know what I want from someone, to everyone who's watching this, when I know what I want from myself, from my body, from my work, when I know what I want, authority delegation के अलावा from my team, clarity आएगा तो direction आएगा, फिर तो काम में success आएगा ही आएगा. So gratitude is a loop of everything.
Yeah, that's amazing, because me being a gratitude coach, I keep on telling people that we all should be practicing gratitude. But yes, you have given such a great example that you've been practicing it and how it has transformed your life, and you in both sense, personal and professional. So yes, that has to be our core. All of us should have this value inside us, and we have to be more grateful and more because it will make us more mindful and happier. And yes, that grounding comes in when we are grateful.
So true.
Automatically we feel that how everything what you said कि अंत क्या है और starting क्या है, that becomes so
Loop.
clear. So,
Illusion.
Yeah.
जो भी देख रहे हैं अभी ज्ञान तो हमारा आप सुन रहे हो on both the cameras which are rolling here.
Yeah.
ज्ञान तो आप सब सुन रहे हो. Please practice gratitude. अब तो अपने आप कोच ने भी बोल दिया. Thank you बोल दो यार सुबह उठ के. कितना टाइम लगेगा?
Yes. So what was that transition that brought you from a very fixed mindset to growth mindset? In life कभी ना कभी when we come out of college, हम लोग का ना एक थोड़ा fixed mindset होता है कि हमें ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है, ऐसे करना है इस काम को. But आपका when did you feel like no, now I that growth mindset where you felt like no, I have to grow in life, now I have to change everything that I have? So how that transition came in?
I think almost all of us, अभी नई जनरेशन तो बहुत तेज है. मैं Gen Z की बात नहीं कर रही, बुरा मत मारना, कमेंट मत करना पॉडकास्ट में. Gen Z तो बहुत तेज है. All of us millennials और मेरे से भी पहले के generations, everyone, जब आप अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो ना, और जब आप like been there done that, जो मेरा जर्नी है, जब आप गरीब होते हो, as you say, जब आप अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होते हो, तो आप वैसे ही फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट ही होता है, और वो इतना लिमिटेड होता है, और वो इतना फिक्स्ड होता है कि मैं सुबह उठूंगी 8 बजे, 8:30 बजे, XYZ ब्रांड से अपना ब्रश करूँगी, उसके बाद मैं नहाऊँगी, उसके बाद मैं ऑफिस भागूँगी या कॉलेज भागूँगी या स्कूल भागूँगी, whatever. It is so fixed. तो
Okay.
because of the values around us, because of the system around us, वो निकलता ही fixed है. What do you think? Genetics.
Yes.
ऐसा ही होता आ रहा है तो बच्चे ऐसे ही होगा.
Right.
फिर ग्रोथ माइंडसेट में जाएंगे तो फिर क्या होगा? फाइट होगी,
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, कलेश होंगे और क्या होगा? तो आधे तो वैसे ही रह जाते हैं, नहीं, बोलना भी नहीं है. But I think for me, the life-changing thing has been from that fixed to that growth mindset is a lot of incidents that have happened during my journey, personal
Okay.
or professional. I'll quote one of them in the coming questions, whatever you ask
Right.
me. But there was one incident when I was working as a senior financial auditor. To everyone who knows me, I'm Bhumika Behla, celebrity makeup artist, educator, and consultant. But इससे पहले की मेरी life आज भी हूँ. I have completed my bachelor's of commerce, masters of commerce.
Okay.
I was almost a certified public accountant.
All right.
बीएड भी कर लिया कि लाइफ में फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट देख रहा. बीएड भी कर लेती हूँ, कुछ नहीं कर पाई तो लड़की हूँ ना, टीचर बन जाऊंगी.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay.
And then one time when I was in the washroom of my office and someone came to me कि आप मेरा मेकअप कर दो. 500 रुपये मिला मुझे. She
अच्छा.
paid me $500 in that same washroom when I was doing my job because she was going to a party. I had a basic kit with me. मैंने कहा चलो let's do it. उस दिन समझ आ गया. So sometimes I think external validation. जब वो सामने से आया, वाह आपने क्या, पता तो मुझे भी था it was internal. जब वो सामने से पैसा आया, money, motivation, mindset.
Yes.
जब 500 का पत्ती आया, still have it in my bag. When I
Wow.
got that, उसके बाद फिर हो गया realize that growth बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. एक बार के लिए भी अगर मैंने रिस्क ले लिया of coming out of that fixed bandwidth, तो इस growth का तो end नहीं है.
Okay, so Bhumika, tell me, when you know, we all face failures in our life, and you know, you must have also faced any
Tell me
failure.
about it. Yes.
So, what was your inner dialogue? What was happening inside you whenever you faced a failure?
I think failure होना is the most important thing if you really want to be successful. And failure का definition बोले तो for me it is like मतलब I don't know how do I say it. Overthinking मेरी dictionary में word नहीं है. हम overthink नहीं करते, हम overreact नहीं करते. क्या बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हैं हम. And now it feels like a podcast. हम overthink नहीं करते, overreact नहीं करते, overreflect करते हैं. For me, failure is always over reflection. It's like a walkthrough. This was my plan. मुझे ये करना था, ये steps थे, ये milestones थे, ये plus minus होना था. Oh shit, नहीं हुआ. अब क्या?
Yeah.
So you over reflect. अच्छा, this went wrong, तो ऐसे तो नहीं होने वाला है. There's a way to it. It is a redirection. I think it's a new beginning. So when you fail, be the happiest. कि कुछ बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है इसके बाद. Lot of over reflection.
So, how do you calm yourself down when there's a failure happening? Because everybody just gets panicked. They will feel like, ये क्या था? मतलब, we never expected this out of, you know, what we thought. So, how did you calm yourself in your failure?
Because there is no expectation, no. मेरे से तो वैसे भी होने वाला नहीं था. It is all जय गुरु जी, not promoting anything, just what I believe in.
Right.
वो तो वैसे भी surrender ही था. मैंने करना ही क्या था. But अगर नहीं हुआ तो there is another way of doing it. Maybe surrender keeps you really calm.
Right.
क्या आप क्या हो, आपका वजूद क्या है?
Okay. So I feel the inner dialogue should be like, you know, it's just a phase and it will pass by. And, you know, we should all surrender to, you know, whoever we follow, whoever we, you know, take, whoever we worship.
That
and
spirit
like
is going to take care of it.
Yeah.
And no matter what, how many times I fail, मैं तो रुकने वाली नहीं हूँ. You try to stop me. क्या failure क्या एक बार नहीं चला, 2 बार नहीं चला, 3 बार नहीं चला, 100 times, 1000 times. I am not stopping, bro. I'm not stopping. I'll do it again. I'll do it better. I'll feel better. Whatever.
That's wonderful, you know, that spirit of keep going on in life. I think so. That's the spirit everybody should have it. This is something like, you know, phenomenal that you
Yeah.
have in yourself, I
Yeah.
should say. So I would like to ask you that what is that one most powerful lesson that you have learned in your life that, you know, you want to tell our viewers about it, that any lesson that you want to, you know, you want to give to our viewers?
To everyone who's watching this again, जैसे मैं पहले सोचती थी, it's going to be nice. One day you will make it. एक दिन तुम कर जाओगी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत बड़ा. Did it by God. मतलब मैं तो कौन? Did it by God's grace. Been there, done that. तो कभी ये मत समझना वो वैसे ही रहने वाला है. It is going to be a very beautiful. आपका दिल जैसे चल रहा है ना, it's going to go like this. If today I'm at my peak, I know maybe not today, not tomorrow, हो सकता है कभी भी नहीं. But I'm very much, pretty much ready for when the graph goes down.
Okay.
And the moment my graph goes down, I am equipped enough, I'm planned enough, I'm emotionally remote control मेरे हाथ में इतना है कि वो ऐसे भी जा रहा होगा मेरा ग्राफ. आई एम जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट मनी, करियर, प्रोफेशन, इमोशनल भी हो सकता है, फिजिकल भी हो सकता है, फाइनेंशियल भी हो सकता है. इसके बाद जब पीक के बाद नीचे जाओगे तो इतना अपने आप को स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लो ना कि मेरे इमोशन को, मेरे मूड को कोई हिला नहीं सकता. इट्स ओके, इट्स अ फेज, इट्स गोइंग डाउन, फिर मेरा ग्राफ ऐसे भी तो जाएगा. सो व्हेन टू ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर हियर, अब ऐसे होने वाला है. एंड टू ऑल ऑफ यू, आई एम नॉट डीमोटिवेटिंग, आई एम ऑल्सो हियर विद यू एट द पीक. बट ये एक टाइम है, ये एक फेज है. हमने भी तो किसी को रिप्लेस करा, कोई हमें करेगा. Then you have to find your backup options. So that's I think the biggest learning. जब पहली बार हुआ, जब ऐसे लगा ओ शिट, इसके लिए तो हम रेडी नहीं थे, तो पूरा ही हम हिल गए. बट नाउ कितना अंडरग्राउंड भी ले जाओ, वापस आ जाएंगे. आज नहीं तो कल आ जाएंगे. हमसे कोई बेटर आ गया, फिर 6 महीने रुक जाओ, फिर देखो मैं और मेरी टीम कैसे वापस आते हैं.
Wow. Yeah, so that is the thing. हम लोगों को यही सीखना चाहिए that you know, of course, ups and downs are a part of life. जैसे बोलते हैं heart beat चलती है, वैसे ही हमारी
And
life
they are
चलती
going to come. It's not going to be like a very stable place.
है. Yes. So you're a mother as well. So I would
Yes.
want to you know, take one question on that. So
Let's go.
what are your, like, you know, you have talked about your beliefs that have, you know, brought you here. Are you inculcating any of the belief in your son also, which is related to growth mindset or gratitude? Do you give any kind of value to your child as well about it?
To this, my answer will be, I think kids are so innocent. That's what we need to learn from them. यार इतने प्यारे होते हैं, they're so innocent. They're happy in everything. I think that जैसे अब कबीर मम्मा भी बोलता है ना, when he calls me mama, the most beautiful moment of my life. तो भी it is a process of, I think, observation. वो मुझे, अब उसने मम्मा कैसे बोला, मैंने उसको बोला कबीर मम्मा मम्मा, 100 times तो जाके मम्मा निकला. It's a very streamlined, straight, planned process of, I think, observe करता है, repeat करता है, फिर उसको अपनी इंस्पिरेशन डाल के मम्मा, माँ, मॉम, अम्मा, व्हाटएवर.
Yeah.
तो ग्रैटिट्यूड और एनी अदर प्रैक्टिस इनकलकेट करने वाली तो मैं हूँ कौन. तो वो बच्चे में आ गया है. कबीर नोज इट. ही इज सीइंग हिज मॉम एवरी डे. सुबह उठती है, अर्ली मॉर्निंग, शी इज डूइंग समथिंग, शी इज डूइंग दिस. अब तो वो खुद ही ऐसे भी करने लगे. आई थिंक इन किड्स दे लर्न, दे ऑब्जर्व, दे वेरी स्मार्ट, दे रिपीट, एंड देन दे इंस्पायर यू. मैंने तो ऐसे जैसे खाया था, इसने ऐसे कैसे कर दिया, और ये ऐसे भी कैसे कर रहा है. सो आई थिंक दैट फॉर देम यू डोंट नीड टू इनकलकेट. व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग इन योर होम, they're taking it down.
And parents are always role models of kids. I've seen, like, you know, whatever you do, so kids do not learn by teaching, they learn by imitation. So whenever, you know, you a child sees you doing something, a child will, you know, imitate that time itself. And that's what I think so your son is doing.
Yes,
He
yes.
is actually seeing you practicing gratitude every
Yeah.
single day, and that's what
And
he
he's teaching me gratitude every single day.
Wonderful.
Mom, you look at me and say, thank God I'm in your life. That's
That's so sweet
Yeah.
of him. That's so sweet. So I would like to ask you one last question. What is that one thing that you want to give to all the viewers out there, you know, mostly all women out there, that, you know, you should go and do something in your life? What is that one thing that you want to say?
To all of them watching this, अरे यार अभी तक नहीं करा है तो कर लो. And already if you have done it, तो फिर कुछ और इससे बड़ा कर लो. और उससे बड़ा भी बहुत कुछ लाइफ में सब कर लिया, तो अपने लाइफ का ट्रायंगल ठीक कर लो, which is your, I think, family and your finance and your health. ये तीनों चीजें ओके हो तो लाइफ बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल है. अब आज तबीयत खराब होती तो मैं बोल रही थी ना आपको, जल्दी करो प्लीज जल्दी करो. But I'm happy, so that's why I think you're talking about finance and what not.
Yes.
Everything. And I think कि अगर घर पे आज कबीर परेशान होता, फिर मैं हैप्पी नहीं होती. So fix those triangles for yourself, everyone, please. I think it's high time. जो हो रहा है वो तो होता ही रहेगा, और जो होने वाला है कौन सा कुछ कर पाओगे उसका. Being said that, been there, done that. Just go live your life, and I think aware हो जाओ, vigilant हो जाओ. What is happening around you in every space, every aspect, every segment of your life. मुझे ना सब पता है क्या हो रहा है. I don't know how it sounds right now.
Yeah.
I know what's happening here right now. मेरी पैंट्री में अंदर क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पीछे बाहर क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ मेरे बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पॉडकास्ट में क्या चल रहा है, कबीर का भी दूध का टाइम हो गया है, पापा वॉक पे. I know what's going on. यहाँ कैफेटेरिया में एडिटिंग चल रही है, यहाँ पीछे लाइट्स ऑफ है, ऑन, whatever. I know it. So you need to know it. So aware हो जाओ और लाइफ बदल दो. That's all.
Thank you so much, Bhumika. It was so nice talking to you. And thank you so much, all of you, for watching this. And next time, we are going to bring something new. So keep subscribing us and keep following us. Thank you so much.
Keep subscribing, keep following. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Go subscribe now.
Thank you.
Complete कर देना बच्चा.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Yeah, what special.
You can have your tea.
How was it good? Huh? and it was like so flowy.
Yeah.
एक cut भी नहीं लिया. It was like so organic.
How
so
was
flowy.
it? Amazing. So, one last question that I would like to ask you.
You're done? But
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Cut it. Yeah.
Because part 2 is also there.
Yeah, yeah. Lovely.
Yeah.
Like cakewalk, yeah.
Because we are having a very candid conversation.
Mindset matters to everyone again watching this. So much in the same space.